Welcome back to Python MC. In this section, we're going to do a coding challenge to create a new Beatlist class. And all you need to do is replace the question marks with the correct code. So we have this class called Beatlist. We have a constructor method. It's missing some information. It's missing some code. So you see the question marks here and here and here. You'll see more question marks down here. And if you just use the description here and what you've learned about creating new classes or types of objects, this should be pretty straightforward. So we have the init method, which we've already started, but we haven't completed it. It takes the parameters self, sound file, and track, and you're going to create instant variables self.sound file and self.track. So you can see there's question marks here, right there, and you can see there are the rest of the method should totally work. The question marks right there might be a little bit confusing, but just use what you've learned from previous lessons. What should be that first parameter in a method inside an object that you create? Okay, and then once you do that, it should work perfectly fine. We're going to create house list _1 using this Beatlist method. Track equals 1, sound file equals UK house main beat, and then house list 1 play. That's it. Just replace the question marks with the right code. Good luck. We'll see you again on Python MC.